Can you solve this an amazing maths problem? So if you get your answers, you can always comment your answer on the comment section. So here now shall now start with 6 minus 4, that is 2, then 2 when you 3, then plus 5, then into bracket multiply by 2. So then 2 when you open the bracket, that is now 2 multiplied by 3, then plus 5 multiplied by 2. So 2 multiplied by 3, so our answer is 6, then 6 plus 5, then multiplied by 2. So here now shall now have it as 6 plus 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, and the result is 16. So when you follow this path, we shall get this answer as the wrong answer. So the best way of working out this maths problem, where now we shall now have it as 6 minus 4 into bracket 3 plus 5, then multiply by 2. So the first method is for us now to work out the value for the BODMAS. So here now 6 minus 4, then into bracket 3 plus 5 is 8, multiplied by 2. So from here now we rush to working out, or we shall now still open the bracket. So that is now 6 minus 4. Then when you open the bracket, shall becomes multiplied by 8, then times 2. So now 6 minus 4 times 8 times 2. So now we shall now move to this side for multiplication. That is now 6 minus 4, then multiplied by 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. So now we shall now move to the next part, where now we shall now say that 6 then minus 4 times 16. We shall have it as minus 64. Then now when you have the correct answer, we shall now have 6 minus 64 shall be minus 58. So this now comes to be the correct answer for working out this an amazing maths problem.